ask business leaders, education leaders, and philanthropic leaders to partner with us to advance these goals.
Ms. Jarrett is a longtime friend of the President's who's worked in numerous capacities in both the corporate and philanthropic worlds in Chicago prior to coming to Washington. But
this is allowing the government to collaborate with educational associations, with philanthropic organizations, and with the private sector to increase your capacity to offer a college degree to as many students as possible.
Target is one of the most philanthropic companies in the United States.
Science agencies within the government, as well as philanthropic foundations and leaders in the private sector, to marshal our talents and take on this next big challenge. So without further ado, it is a great personal...
After philanthropic work at the Gates Foundation and the Walmart Foundation, she's come back to help us move this effort forward. And my hope is that some of the philanthropic work that I do after my presidency is over builds on some of the things that we've been doing now. I'm not going to